have MBS Bird Cages. We will give you a customization also. We will provide you a product at your doorstep. We will give you a free installation, free delivery, and we will give you a best quality product, best prices.
The quality is good, really.
MBS, alhamdulillah, now they are growing up and they are doing good cages as well. Alhamdulillah, how you can see now they are doing very good cages.
Our services, our quality, you will never have been seen in UAE. Alhamdulillah, this is the only have MBS Bird Cages.